Adam Ondra is a Czech professional rock climber. He was born on February 5, 1993 in Brno, Czechia. Adam Ondra has won gold medal in the men's bouldering climbing at European Championships 2022. According to the Economist, Ondra is regarded as possibly the best climber ever to fondle rock. Ondra is the only male athlete to have won world championship titles in both disciplines in the same year and is also the only male athlete to have won the World Cup series in both disciplines. In April 2021, Ondra won gold in the bouldering discipline at the IFSC World Cup in Meiringen, Switzerland. This marked his 20th World Cup gold medal. In August 2021, Ondra finished in 6th place at the 2020 Summer Olympics. In 2013, Rock and Ice described Ondra as a prodigy and the leading climber of his generation. As of November 2018, Ondra had climbed 1,550 routes between grades 8A and 9C, of which one was a 9C, 3 were 9B+, and there were on-sites of 9A. At age 13, Ondra had climbed his first route graded 9A. Rock and Ice reported that by 2011, Ondra was on-sighting 5.14 Cs by the handful and by 2013 had more or less repeated every hard route in the world easily. On September 3, 2017, after about 4 years of dedicated work and training, Ondra climbed Silence in the Hundskylleren cave in Flatanger, Norway. Silence was the world's first ever route to have a proposed grade of 9C. On February 10, 2018, Ondra completed the world's first ever flash of a confirmed 9A+ route with his ascent of Super Craquinet in Saint-Ligar-du-Ventoux, France. On April 23, 2017, Ondra set a new high point for Black Diamonds, the project indoor sport route in Stockholm, Sweden, which is believed to be the hardest in the world. On November 21, 2016, Ondra completed the second free ascent of the 1,000-meter granite route, the Dawn Wall, a 32-pitch grade 5.14D big wall climbing route at El Capitan in the Yosemite Valley. The route was widely regarded as the hardest big wall climbing route in the world. In 2010, he won the Bouldering World Cup, beating Austrian climber Kellen Fischhaber and Tsukaru Hori from Japan, becoming the first athlete in history to win the World Cup in both disciplines.